After 12th, thinking of choosing BA English?
Huh?
How?
So if you're thinking about taking BA English after your 12th, let me tell you something very honestly. A lot of people underestimate this degree, but actually it can open more doors than you think. The real difference comes from one thing: the skills you build along with it. If you just complete BA English without learning anything extra, yes, your options may feel limited in the beginning. But if you combine it with communication skills, digital skills, or some professional skills, or some professional training, your opportunities increase a lot. Let me break it down for you in a simple way. First, teaching and academics. If you like explaining things and guiding others, this is a great path. You can become a school teacher after B.Ed, or even a college lecturer if you go for MA and clear NET or SET exam. It's a stable and respected career. Next is writing and content creation. If you enjoy writing, there's huge demand today. You can work as a content writer, copywriter, script writer, or even a technical writer. With the growth of digital marketing, companies always need good writers. Then comes media and journalism. If you're interested in news, current affairs, or storytelling, you can go into journalism. You can become a reporter, editor, or even an anchor. This field suits people who like being active and informed. Another option is corporate and communication jobs. Many companies need people with strong English communication. You can work in HR, public relations, corporate communication, or client handling roles. This is a good path if you're aiming for a professional office career. Now, one of the most popular fields today, digital marketing. You can become a social media manager, SEO content writer, email marketer, or brand strategist. Even short courses combined with your degree can help you get high-paying opportunities. Then we have government jobs. You can prepare for exams like UPSC, TNPSC, banking, or SSC. Your English background will actually help you a lot in these exams and interviews. There are also creative fields. If you're passionate, you can become an author, poet, screenplay writer, or editor. But this path needs consistency and patience. And some unique careers too, like translator, tourism, airline cabin crew, or even voiceover artist. Communication skills really help here. After your degree, you can also go for higher studies like MA English, MBA, mass communication, law, or even foreign languages. But let me give you a reality check. BA English alone may not give you a high salary immediately. But BA English plus skills, that's where the real power is. So a smart strategy would be this. Start learning content writing or digital marketing, improve your spoken English, do internships during college, and build a portfolio, maybe a blog or LinkedIn profile. That's how you turn this degree into a strong career. So don't just study, build skills along the way. Dear students, all the best for your bright future. For more valuable insights and updates, stay connected with us. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.